this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together. And now I'll show you how this Shabby Chic project was done. So today I'm working on the bench for my potting shed. I had an existing bench, but I'm just putting this pine wood strips down. I think it just adds a little extra and kind of looks like more of a potting bench. Awesome. It was pretty easy. I went to Home Depot. They cut it for me. I got these, actually I think they're for drywall, and it's just as a kind of as a guide to help me secure them in place. I'm just putting them exactly where I want them. Turned out marvelous. Thank you, Home Depot. So today I'm going to be whitewashing this pine potting bench that I have made in my potting shed, and all I'm going to be doing is using the non-sanded grout, some white paint. So I'm going to mix my grout with my water into a paste. And I've decided not to put a base coat down, and I want to see what this looks like before I decide on anything else. I'm going to add my white paint to my mixture here. You have to use small batches because it does harden up. I want it pretty runny. I'm going to add a little bit more water. You can always go back over it. It's just harder to take off. Just going to have to play around with what brushes work well for this project. I'm going to be using more of a dry brush stroke, and this is raw wood. I do plan on going over it a couple different times. So my second coat of just the grout and the water made this whitewash project complete. But I'm kind of thinking that since this is a potting shed, my accessories are going to be green. Some are already going in the baskets. I'm going to kind of put a little bit of color onto the bench. So I have very little left of the grout. I might have mixed too much green. Really light. I add a little water. It's looking better. A little dry lighter. I think I'm going to go for this. The worst that can happen is I have to sand it off, repaint it, but let's see what happens. Just a little. Just kind of a little bit mossy. Just a little bit, not a lot. last coat is just the non-scented grout and water mixed in a paste, no paint, and I'm liking it a lot. You can go in and fill in the areas kind of around that didn't get anything, and it'll dry a lot lighter. But I think I like it. I like it a lot.